Hello, my name is Ricardo Alfonso, and I'm going to be talking about password sniffing. Password sniffing is a technique for gaining access to network-based attack. It could be used for inside of a network, sniffing any packages, and you could get passwords out of it and put information out of it. In this case, we're going to be talking about password sniffing. What is sniffing? Sniffing is pretty much a password sniffer that are a program that monitors and records the name and password of network users as they log in to certain web pages. It could be, there's a whole bunch of different software that can be used. For today's presentation, we're going to be using Wireshark just for the sake of using the tools that we have been using during class. As we said before, password sniffing is a software application that scans and records passwords that are used on broadcasts on a computer or network interface. It can be installed on a host machine and scans all incoming and outgoing network traffic. It could be used on protocols like HTTP, IMAP, FTP, POP3, Telnet. As you can see, these protocols are not the most secure ones. If you want to be on the safer side when preventing password sniffing, you could use HTTPS, which is a more secure protocol. The password sniffing can be on a wireless, it could be external, or it could be internal, as long as you either have access to the network or part of the password sniffer is installed within the network and then giving you access outside of the network. A password sniffer is primarily used as a network security tool for sorting and restoring passwords. However, hackers can crack and use such utilities to sniff out passwords for illegal and malicious purposes. So let's go ahead and give an example of how we can accomplish this and how it can be done. First, we're going to use the first machine. We're going to be using Wireshark. In this demonstration, we're going to use the default Ethernet port, and we're going to start listening to that port, and then we're going to go ahead and go to the second virtual machine, which we're going to go into a particular web page. This web page, we will try to sign in, and the password will be password 2010. Once we try to sign in, we'll go ahead and go back to Wireshark and stop all the listening. Then we're going to filter the results for HTTP. Then within those HTTP, we will look for the one that has the post. We'll click on the hypertext, and as we can see down here, we got the email and the password for the login page that we're trying to sign in. Is admin@google.com and password 2010. Let's say we tried a different one where this incorrect password. Again, let's start Wireshark again so we could listen. And this time I'm going to type a different password, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Stop again, filter HTTP. You can see the post here, and the password was 1 2 3 4 5 6. Once again, we can use this for ethical hacking if you want to use it on your own company and see where the page is vulnerable, or in the case of the hacking side, this could be a security issue when someone gets access to the username and password using Wireshark, so it's a simple tool. And again, to prevent this, we could use a web page HTTPS, which has a better security protocol. And that should conclude our presentation for today. Hope you guys enjoy it.